Jaitley, but how do you process some of the defense that's coming from the other side? Satish Sharma says the cable has got its facts wrong. This man called Nachiketa Kapoor is not his aide. Ajit Singh has a strong counter too. He's saying, hang on a minute, neither me nor my MPs even voted for the UPA during this trust vote. So how can you say my vote was bought?
Well, I think both the statements must be seen in the context of what is written in the cables itself. Let me deal with Ajit Singh's comment first. The cable itself factors that we are only ensuring that monies are paid. Money is not a problem, but we have to make sure that the vote still comes. So the cable itself quotes the Congress party interlocutors as having factored this in. And therefore, which way Ajit Singh will vote is a fact which was a subject matter of controversy on the 22nd of July 2008 itself. The cable itself factors this fact in, and therefore anyone saying I didn't vote this way, nothing turns on it because the cable itself factors it in. Secondly, it's very convenient for Mr. Sharma now to say, well, I don't know X or Y. Who is this gentleman? Who appointed this Mr. Kapoor into the organizing committee as an important functionary in the Commonwealth Games? Was he a functionary of the Congress party's organizational structure, having various responsibilities? Has he worked on ministerial staff of various ministers? He is intrinsically linked with these operations of the Congress party, and therefore what is the motivation that the political counselor of the American embassy has in inventing a name called Kapoor, inventing a name called Sharma, inventing the existence of a rogue war chest, and then inventing the whole conversation? Was the political counselor eager to lose his own job that he invented this and sent a fake cable? I think look at this in corroboration with other contemporaneous evidence, the videos and so on, which were initially not telecast by another channel and then subsequently telecast. Read it in conjunction with that and you will find a huge set of evidence which is not evidence of suspicion, which, let me tell you, is evidence of proof beyond reasonable doubt, sufficient to convict anybody in a court of law for bribery.
All right, but explain this. KC Deo, who headed the committee to look into the cash for vote scam, says that it was Sudhindra Kulkarni, who was then with the BJP, who was at the center of the sting operation to expose what your party said was the offer of money to your MPs. But today it seems to involve this particular cable, a completely different set of players, which is the RLD Ajit Singh's group. How do you see the overlap, if any, between these two different sets of players?
I'll tell you there is no overlap, absolutely. First of all, let me tell you about the parliamentary committee. The parliamentary committee had decided itself not on the strength of the intrinsic merit of the evidence. It decided to split itself on the strength of political affiliations.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.